Hello geeks. So today we will see the question. The question was find the number of occurrences of all the elements in an array, and the array which is given here is A, then capital A, then 1, then capital A, then again 1, and you can see the output which we need to print here is small a occurred only one time, capital A occurred two times, and the number 1 is also occurred two times. So basically all the elements present in this array can be considered as an string, and we can calculate the occurrences based on that. So this is also a very popular question if you are giving any interview for a fresher level or for a position of 1 or 2 years of experience level, then these type of questions will generally be asked. And yeah, let me emphasize here. So this question was already asked in uh, the interview of a TCS company, and also in the interview of a GE company, which is General Electronics, and it works in a software domain as well. So yeah, let's begin with the solution. So I'm going to write the solution for this in Java programming language, and I am using an online IDE for this. So you can use any online IDE available on the internet, or you can use Eclipse as well. So that is not a big issue here. Yeah, so let's begin with the program. Let's write the class here. Before we start writing the program, let's see what is the general approach which we are going to uh, follow here. Suppose we are seeing the suppose we are seeing the problem for the first time. So the very general approach which comes in our mind is take the first element, compare with all the elements present in the array, and if it is present anywhere, then increase the count by 1 and print it for that particular element. So suppose if we are going with that approach, so we can see like a small a is present only once in this array, so we can say small a is present only one time. If we take the second element, which is capital A, and compare with all the elements present in the array, so with that we can see that capital A will be coming two times, and the count will become 2. And similarly for 1 also, it is present in the array twice, so the count will become 2. But this is kind of a very brute force solution, and with this approach, if we are going, we have to write two for loops, which is not a good idea because the time complexity will become o n of o n square, so which is a good way, but it's not that much optimized. So we will go with some good solution here. So yeah, let's start. We will write a main method inside our class. So here I'm going to use the hash maps, which is present in our Java libraries. So I am assuming that everyone will be aware of the basics of the hash maps. So hash maps basically stores the value in the key and value format, where keys are always going to be unique and value can be uh, duplicate as well. So yeah, to use the map, we first have to import the java.util library. Then suppose we are going to take the same array. We will just copy paste here, and yeah, definitely the defining declaring the array in the Java having many ways. We can declare the array in many ways and we can assign the values in it. So this is also one of those ways. So I'm declaring the string array and in the same line I am assigning the values as well. So now what we are going to do is I will write a for each loop here. For each loop is going to do what is it will take the elements one by one from this array and map it with the variable s. So it is very similar like our uh, regular for loop where we declare a variable counter variable index I equal to 0, then we will increase the value of I in each and every iteration, or we can use the for each loop also. Now let's create a hash map. Type of hash map will be key and value. So key we are going to store as a string, so it is always be string, and value will be integer. Why? Because the format we are going to store here is, suppose this is the map. So what we are going to store in this map is I am going to store small a, then how many times it have occurred once. Now second element will be capital A and how many times it has occurred. So 2 and so on. So this is the format which I am going to use for the hash map. So in the map we can put the value which is s, and we will take the initial counter as 1. But hold on, where are we going to track that the particular elements has occurred how many times? Because every time it will find a key, it will update the value as 1 only. So we have to add a condition here, and we will have to check it whether this particular key is already present in the map or not. Suppose this particular key is already present in the map. In that case, what we are going to do is we are going to take the existing value for that particular key which is already present in the map, and we will increase that value by 1. And if it is not an existing element in the map, then we are simply going to add that element in the map with the value as 1. So what actually it is going to happen is when the for loop will run, it will take the first element which is small a, First time it is going to see in the map whether small is present or not. So it is not present, so it will go in the else block. In the else block, it will add a element in the map, small a comma 1. Now when we take the capital A, so again capital A is also not present in this map, so it is going to take capital A as a key and value 1, and it will be inserted as a second element in the map. Third time same will happen for the 1. Now fourth time when it again capital A is coming, instead of going in the else block, the control will go inside if block, because it is trying to fetch the value map.get of capital A. So map.get of capital A is already present in the map. So if condition will be satisfied and the control will go inside the if block. At this time, the value which is present in the map is capital A, comma 1. Up to line number 10, the value which is present in the map is capital A, comma 1. Now when control comes at line number 11, which is this one, so at this point what it will do, it will take the value of capital A, which is 1. So this part will return 1. Then we are doing 1 plus 1, so it will become 2. So after execution of the line 11, the value will be a comma 2. I'll just delete the unwanted code from here. Yeah, so that is all about the code. Now everything will be present in our hash map. So our next job is to print the values from the map. So print values from the map, we will call the method called entry set on the map, which will return the set collection type map dot entry, and every entry is going to be integer comma string comma integer type, because we have declared the generic for the map is string comma integer. So each and every entry will be of string comma integer. Now we can write another for each loop, and this for each loop for can iterate on the set. Every time it will return a single entry, and in this entry we will be having key and value. So on the entry we can call get key, then we can add something, an arrow, just to stay separated. Then we can call entry dot get value. So our main code is from line number 6 to line number 15 only. The code which we have written from line number 17 to line number 20 is just to iterate over the map, hash map, and print the values. So let's run this and see what happens. Yeah, so now you can see in the right side the output is exactly same what we wanted here. So if you want to try this for some different input also, we can simply add in this array. So suppose I am adding another element called capital B, then another capital A, then another capital B. So what should be the output now is small a will be coming once, capital A will be coming three times, 1 will be coming two times, and B will be coming two times. Let's see. Yeah, so you can see like, so the output is exactly same what we wanted. Yeah, so this is all about the solution of this problem. If it was helpful for you, please like our video, share, subscribe, and let us know your feedback in the comment section. If you need any such videos, please mention in the comment box. If you have any specific problem related to programming which was asked in any of the interview, or which you want me to solve and show you in the video, please let us know in the comment box. Thank you.